How to archive Amazon orders. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can archive your Amazon orders. Now first things first, what you'll have to know is there is no any way to do so on the Amazon application if you're wanting to do it on the application. However, you can do it on your phone, on your browser. Similarly, on your PC you can do it on the Amazon site as well. So what you want to do is you want to simply head into your browser and then you want to head into amazon.com. Now first you want to head into amazon.com and there you want to log into your account. In my case, I might be already logged in. I'll just remove this here quickly and you can see I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is on the home page, while you're at the home page, you want to tap on three dots at the top right if you're on Chrome, and then tap on desktop site. You want to head into desktop site for any of the browser that you are on and you'll get an interface like this. Here now it's taking some time to load up, so let it load up. Here you can see it has loaded up. Now if I just zoom in here, you can see you'll get the option that says your account and list. You want to tap on it and now you want to tap on it, and once you tap on it you can see orders option. You want to tap on it. Now once you tap on orders, now it's asking me to log in, so I'll just log in real quick here. So as you can see, once you're logged in, you'll be able to see your orders here. You can tap on the particular order that you wish to archive, and beside it you'll find the archive option. In my case, I don't have any orders, so it's not up here the option. However, if you have your orders, then you can simply tap on it and you'll get the archive option and you can archive it. So this way you can archive Amazon orders. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.